Hey guys, Keith here with another video. So this one's a little bit different. I'm working on an '05 Golf TDI that I have, and it has a really sticky shifter. And I was in the process of fixing this up, and I thought I'd make a quick video showing how to fix it because it's pretty easy DIY. Really the only tools you need is a 10mm socket and a pair of pliers. The engine bay, it's pretty easy to get to. The area you're trying to get to is this shifter linkage here, and the pieces you have to take out are pretty minimal. You have to take out the airbox and the battery tray. There's 4 bolts, and the airbox has 1 bolt here, another bolt right here, and you have to pull off 1 vacuum line and the air intake for the turbo. It's got a clamp here which you can take off with a pair of channel lock pliers. It's pretty simple. Now, what's causing the stickiness of the shifter is the shifter linkage here. So what's happening is that this pivot shaft here is getting corroded from rust or debris getting in there and just getting gummed up. So what's needed is to free up this pivot point where the linkage goes into. So if you're looking at this on your own vehicle, this slides through here and basically pivots like this, and it just gets super stiff from corrosion, and it doesn't allow your shifter to move freely. It's pretty easy fix. There's some clips you have to take off, 3 of them specifically. They look like this, and they just slide over the linkage pieces there. There's another one right here that has to be removed, and it's pretty easy. You can do it with a pair of pliers. Make sure you don't lose it. They will pop right off. And the main thing that has to be done is the pivot area to be cleaned out. So I just use some sandpaper, basically going back and forth like this until it cleans it out and allows the linkage to move freely. Basically trial and error. Put it back in, see if it moves. If it does, you're probably good. Now, this isn't exactly the best fix. Realistically, you should take this apart, clean it, and replace the bushings. I'm not sure if you can get those, probably, but this is a quick enough solution. This car is pretty old and it's not really worth that much time, so I'm just gonna sand that out. I'm pretty much there now, and that's about it. I hope this helps somebody. You can do this in your driveway. Again, it's pretty simple. The only thing you need is a 10mm socket and a pair of pliers. So super easy driveway job, DIY. I hope this helps somebody. I know when I was looking online, I couldn't really find too much information on how to fix this, and it seemed like a bigger issue than it was. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, hit the like button, and if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you later, guys. Thanks.